2017 Subaru BRZ customer purchase on Android radio. I'm gonna put it in. It's a mounted. I'll show you later. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is remove this side panel. We got partially out, so you're gonna take this thing out. So once you have it out, it should have screws, I think. No, that comes out, and there are screws holding on to the radio. That comes out. Then it's supposed to have 4 screws here in the side mount. Somehow she lost it. Alright, so everything plugs in. It comes pre-wired, so match all the plugs. Okay. This has a CAN module, which is this one. I know you're gonna have to set this CAN module. So that's an antenna plug. Okay. Okay. What else is it? Alright, so that connect the reverse cam. Okay. Wait. I gotta remove this 10 mil. Okay. Should put 10 mils in there. Alright, so I'm gonna just temporarily test it out to see if everything comes on. She's saying is when she put it in, she didn't have a backup cam, she didn't have audio. So let's find out why. Power button here. Connect the phase before the power connection, it's okay. But if you connect the power connection on the main unit and connect the phase, you have to disconnect the main power to reboot it. So let's see, radio. Wait.
And stay on budget. Get dedicated pro support for supply.
Alright, so we figure everything out. A lot of people online is saying they are having trouble with the front speaker not working. So this is what you gotta look for. This 28 if the front speaker comes on. So right now we have no front speaker. Let's shoot 12 volt there.
Your trip begins at visitsbc.com.
It came on. So we know that is a amp turn on for the front speaker. So what we're going to do is, if you look on the other side of the plug, there is a gray black wire. It's labeled as amp control. That doesn't go to anywhere. So we're going to shoot this power to this blue-white wire, or blue wire, which happens to be the amp turn on wire. And that should make the front speaker to come on. Alright, so just poke a hole on blue wire or blue white wire. That both same 12 volt. When the radio is on, that gets power. And be sure to tape them, because if you don't tape them, you may short out the either radio or circuit inside.
Power made hot by Top Dog Law. Top Dog get you.
Radio came on. Alright, so when we do video, it says for safety, it won't play the video. So we're gonna do the video bypass. Alright, so we have no video there. This is the brake wire. You put it to the ground. Voila, video comes on.
What is it?
Alright, that's the factory ground, and you're gonna put the brake wire to that wire, so you get the video. So without grinding that wire, you don't get to see the video. Great picture. Reverse. Reverse works. Everything works.
No more antennas?
Okay, so let's see. No, it's gonna automatically connect. Alright. Weather.
A low of 23.
Okay.
Find me a McDonald's nearby.
There's a McDonald's 0.7 miles away. Navigate to that one.
No.
How about the one 2.4 miles away?
Cancel.
Alright.
Cancel. No need. Okay.
Upside down.
This way?
Yep. Never locked it. Clips on both sides. Yes.
More?
Oh, these have to be pushed down. Yeah, that's good. You gotta push into that hole.
Confesarte que ha sido mi vida por estar